everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Whimsy Meadows and I am so happy to see you all again. As you can see, my hair is now red. So what do you guys think, huh? Do you guys think I look good as a redhead? So yeah, my hair is red. Can't really see it too much in these lights. It's darker than this, but this came out, it looks kind of lighter in the video for some reason. A lot of you guys, I'm sure, have a bunch of tumbled rocks and stones and crystals and quartz, but maybe you all may not know what they are or what they all consist of. So in this video, I thought I would put together exactly to give you guys an idea, to show you the difference between a stone in raw and polished stone and a polished finished. And I put them together in a video so you guys can take a look at that, so you guys can see exactly what types of stones, in case you're ever curious or wonder about what kind of stones is most often used with tumbled rocks and stones. So without further ado, let's get started.
Amazonite. Amazonite is a green microcline feldspar. It is named after the Amazon River of South America, where the first commercial deposits were found. Angelite. Angelite is a trade name for blue anhydrite, a calcium sulfate mineral related to gypsum. Angelite is very soft and is not suitable for jewelry, for it only has a hardness of 2 on the Mohs scale. Apache tears. Apache tears are round nodules of obsidian that polish to a beautiful jet black color. If you hold them up to the light, you will see that they are translucent to transparent glass. Apricot agate. Apricot agate is a banded agate that is named for its apricot pink or orange color. It is a beautiful material with bands of whites, creams, yellows, oranges, and pinks. Aquamarine, blue beryl. Beryl is a mineral that occurs in a variety of colors. When it is attractive, it is used as a gem. Transparent blue beryl is a very popular gemstone known as aquamarine. When it is translucent to opaque, the name blue beryl is most appropriate. Banded amethyst. Amethyst is a name given to transparent to translucent purple quartz. It often forms in alternating bands with white to clear quartz. It is sometimes called chevron amethyst. Banded carnelian. Carnelian is a translucent orange to red or brown agate. It often forms in alternating bands with white chalcedony. Black chalcedony. Black chalcedony is a variety of microcrystalline quartz with a black color. Most materials sold as black chalcedony has been altered by dye or other treatment to produce the black color. When the material has black and white parallel bands, it is known as onyx. Black moonstone. Moonstone occurs in a wide variety of colors, including black and dark gray. The black to gray body color is visible from most directions, but when the angle of light or angle of observation is just right, a flash of silver iridescence is produced. Black tourmaline. Tourmaline has one of the widest color ranges of any gem. The colors are caused by the mineral's many compositions. The most common tourmaline color is a material that is so black that it is essentially opaque. This pitch black variety is known as squirrel. Bloodstone. Bloodstone, also known as heliotrope, is a green jasper splashed with small drops of red. The red drops remind many people of blood, and hence the name. It has been a popular stone since biblical times. Blue chalcedony. Blue chalcedony is a demure crystal, subtle and mystic, cool and serene, ethereal yet solid. It almost appears as of snow-covered hills in the shade. Blue lace agate. Blue lace agate is a name given to a chalcedony that consists of alternating bands of white agate and subtle blue to transparent agate. The result gives the appearance of blue lace. Blue quartzite. Blue quartzite is a metamorphosed sandstone that receives its color from tiny blue inclusions of a fibrous mineral that is probably DUMORTIERITE. Botswana agate. Botswana agate is a name given to abandoned agate found in Botswana, Africa. This agate typically has wonderful white, gray, and brown banding, sometimes with eyes, and takes a very high polish. BRECCIATED jasper. Breccia is a rock composed of angular fragments. Brecciated jasper consists of jasper fragments cemented together with agate or jasper. They often come in a bright red material with white, gray, and black markings. Carnelian agate. Carnelian agate is a translucent orange to red or brown agate. It has been a popular gemstone since biblical times. Cat's eye glass. Cat's eye glass is a man-made material that is a byproduct of the fiber optics industry. It is a glass that is filled with parallel bundles of optical fibers. When a beam of light enters the glass and strikes these fibers, it reflects from them, creating a phenomenon known as a cat's eye, hence the name. CHRYSOCOLLA in quartz. CHRYSOCOLLA is a vivid blue to blue-green mineral that contains copper. CHRYSOPRASE. CHRYSOPRASE is a yellowish-green to green variety of CHALCEDONY. Its green color is usually caused by trace amounts of nickel. CINNABRITE. CINNABRITE is a rock composed of scopolite, white, and epidot, red. Its eye-catching appearance makes it an interesting gem material for making cabochons. Its name makes some people think that it is composed of cinnabar and quartz, but that is incorrect. Citrine quartz. Citrine is a variety of transparent to translucent quartz that ranges in color from a light yellow through orange to amber brown. Yellow and golden citrine is especially popular. Citron magnesite. Citron magnesite is a pale green to bright green magnesium carbonate with a color similar to ripening citrus fruit, which is actually the source of the name citron. Clear quartz. Quartz is one of the most abundant minerals in Earth's crust, but clear specimens with very little color that are nearly free from inclusions are seldom found. Colored moonstone. Moonstone is a name used for stones of orthoclastic feldspar with a soft pearly luster, sometimes with adolescence. It occurs in a variety of colors which include white, cream, pink, brown, and gray. Coral, agatized. A rare find is fossil coral that has been replaced by agate or agatized. This type of fossilization often preserves the structure of the coral individual or colony. The result can be this beautiful stone that can be polished to display cross and lateral sections through the coral fossil. Isn't that beautiful? Crackle quartz. Crackle quartz is a name used for quartz specimens that have been heat treated and then dyed to change their color. The heating and subsequent cold water quenching produces fractures in the stone that facilitate the penetration of dyes. Crazy lace agate. Crazy lace agate is a white to gray botryoidal agate with colorful stains that are usually yellow, orange, red, and brown. Most of the material offered for sale originates in Mexico. Dalmatian stone. Dalmatian stone is a white to gray igneous rock with black spots. It is given that name because white specimens have a color pattern similar to a Dalmatian dog, and they are often dyed in a variety of colors. Dolomite. Dolomite is a sedimentary rock that is very similar to limestone. Most people will never think of it as a gemstone. However, it can be brightly polished by people who know how, and it often contains interesting fossils. Dragonstone. Dragonstone is a rock containing two members of the epidote mineral group. The green material is epidote and the red is pyromidite. Some people call this material dragon jasper, but that is incorrect. Jasper is a cryptocrystalline quartz and an opaque variety of chalcedony. Dumortierite. Dumortierite is a bright blue, dark blue, or greenish blue mineral that is occasionally found in metamorphic rocks. It can be polished to a high luster and is one of just a few blue minerals that are hard enough to be used as a gemstone. Dyed agate. Agate is a variety of chalcedony that can be extremely colorful. It is slightly porous, with some bands and zones being more porous than others. When heat treated and exposed to dye, the porous zones absorb more dye than the less porous, producing a stone that is banded with various color intensities. Eye agate. Eye agates are rare agates that have perfectly circular markings, or eyes. These are actually three-dimensional features that extend into the stone in the shape of a hemisphere. Fluorite. Fluorite occurs in a variety of colors, such as purple, green, yellow, blue, and clear, and the colors are often banded. Fluorite often has a wonderful fluorescence. Although it is beautiful, it is not well suited for jewelry use because it has a hardness of 4. Gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock in the shale, slate, phyllite, schist, gneiss sequence. It usually contains an abundance of feldspar minerals and quartz. Many specimens of gneiss can be brightly polished in a rock tumbler if they do not contain very much mica. Goldstone. Goldstone is a man-made glass that contains abundant crystals with a bright metallic luster. Flat faces of the crystals catch and reflect light to give the stone a glittering appearance. Granite. Granite is an igneous rock composed of quartz and feldspar with minor amounts of micas, amphiboles, and other minerals. It can be pink, white, or gray in color. Green aventurine. Aventurine is a translucent quartz with inclusions of platinum minerals such as mescovite, mica, hematite, and goethite. The inclusions reflect light entering the stone to produce a glistening known as phosphorescence. Green jasper. The most common jasper color is red, and after that in abundance is green jasper. It is often a very, very dark green, so dark that at first glance you think that it is black. Now when the green jasper is marked with red splotches, the rock is then known as bloodstone. Green moss agate. Moss agate is a translucent to transparent chalcedony that contains visible inclusions with a mossy or dendritic shape. Grausulite garnet. The grausulite garnet used to make tumbled stones, beads, and carvings is an opaque, massive garnet that often has an attractive green color. It is found in South Africa, where it has been incorrectly called transfer jade. It has no mineralogical relationship with jade. Hematite. Hematite is an iron oxide mineral with a bright red or silver color. It has a specific gravity that is about double that of the typical gemstone, thus it feels very heavy. Howlite, dyed blue. Howlite is an inexpensive white mineral, often marked with gray to black spider webbing. In the 1950s, someone dyed some howlite a nice blue color and wow, they had a turquoise look-alike. Since then, it has fooled millions of people in tourist shops throughout the southwestern US and beyond. So be careful. The turquoise you may have may actually be dyed howlite. Hypersthene. Hypersthene is a black silicate mineral occasionally found in igneous rocks such as gabbro, basalt, and andesite. It accepts a bright polish which sometimes reveals zones and bands of a phenomenon that seems transitional between chatoyance and play of color. Jet. Jet is an organic rock similar to coal, but instead of breaking like coal, it can be cut, carved, or polished into interesting sculptures, beads, or faceted stones. It is a very lightweight material and was very popular in jewelry of the Victorian era. It is rarely seen as a tumbled stone. Kababa jasper. Kababa jasper is a dark green orbicular jasper that takes a nice polish and is found in Madagascar. Kunzite. Kunzite is a trade name for pink to purple gem quality specimens of the mineral spodumene, an ore of lithium. Spodumene is a yellowish green to green color. Kunzite is difficult to polish because it is brittle and often breaks.